Ever thought you could turn Pinterest into your personal ATM? What if I told you that hidden within your daily pins lies the potential to earn $927 every single day? Most people struggle with making real money online because they miss the secrets I'm about to reveal. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to unlock this treasure chest with AI-powered strategies that actually work. First things first, let's address a common pitfall that many aspiring online earners encounter. Picture this. Countless individuals embark on their online money-making journey with high hopes but end up disappointed. The reason? They're overlooking some fundamental secrets that could drastically change their financial destiny. Now, you might wonder, what makes these secrets so vital? Unlike general advice that barely scratches the surface, the strategies I'm about to unveil are game changers. These aren't just ordinary tips. These are proven tactics that could help you rake in anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Imagine utilizing insights that lift the veil on the nuances of digital marketing, allowing you to navigate and exploit platforms like Pinterest to your advantage. We're not talking about random acts of posting, but rather a targeted approach that ensures every pin, every post, and every interaction is strategically poised to generate substantial income. So, if you're ready to move beyond common mistakes and dive into what truly works, stick around as we uncover these critical secrets together. Moving on to our first actionable step: mastering Pinterest keyword research. You might think, it's just keywords, but here's where many falter. It's not about using just any keywords. It's about identifying the right ones that act like magnets to your posts. Why is this important? Because the right keywords can exponentially increase your visibility on Pinterest, making your content discoverable to the right audience. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I find these magic words? The answer lies in utilizing Pinterest's business account tools. These tools offer access to powerful analytics that reveal what users are searching for. By tapping into this data, you can tailor your content to match these search queries. For instance, imagine you're in the keto diet niche. Using these tools, you can discover highly searched terms related to keto recipes, keto snacks, and keto meal plans, and incorporate them into your pins. This approach ensures that your posts do not just float aimlessly in the digital sea, but reach potential followers interested in what you have to offer. This strategic use of keywords turns your Pinterest account into a targeted tool, attracting viewers who are more likely to engage with your content and convert into followers and customers. Stepping into the world of Pinterest marketing can be like navigating a minefield for beginners. One common error is misusing keywords. Many newbies either choose overly popular keywords, getting their posts lost in the sea of content, or use too niche keywords, reaching almost no one. Here's how to strike the perfect balance. Target mid-range search volume keywords that are specific, yet still attract significant attention. This tactical approach ensures that your posts are seen by a relevant audience without being overwhelmed by competition. Another frequent mistake is posting too much without a clear strategy. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality and relevance. To avoid this, plan your posts to align with your target audience's interests and peak activity times on Pinterest. By doing so, each pin you create has a purpose and a better chance of performing well. Remember, every pin should serve a strategic role in your marketing plan, whether it's driving traffic to your website, enhancing your brand's visibility, or engaging with your audience to build loyalty. Next, let's dive into setting up your very own Pinterest affiliate website, an essential tool for monetizing your Pinterest traffic. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With today's user-friendly web development tools, creating a website can be straightforward and quick. Think of your website as a central hub where you'll direct your Pinterest audience. This site acts as a bridge connecting your social posts to your affiliate products. Here's how you can get started. First, choose a reliable web hosting service that offers easy website builders, allowing you to drag and drop elements to design your site. Then, integrate your affiliate links into your website's content. You'll want to ensure these links are smoothly incorporated, leading visitors naturally from the information they find useful to products they can purchase. Throughout this process, I'll provide step-by-step guidance to ensure that your website not only looks professional, but also optimizes conversions. Your affiliate website will help you establish credibility, provide valuable content to your visitors, and, most importantly, generate a steady stream of affiliate income. Now for step 3, where the magic happens, creating content that not only attracts views but also drives conversions. This step is crucial. You're not just crafting content, you're constructing a bridge that leads directly to your affiliate products. Start by understanding your audience deeply. What are their interests, pain points, and desires? Use this insight to create articles or videos that speak directly to their needs and seamlessly integrate your affiliate products as solutions. For instance, if you're targeting fitness enthusiasts on Pinterest, produce content like 10 must-have tools for home workouts or how to stay fit with simple home exercises, and include your affiliate links to recommended equipment or health supplements. The key here is to provide value. Your content should educate, inspire, or solve problems so effectively that the transition to clicking on an affiliate link feels natural and helpful rather than forced. Remember, content that resonates with your audience will not only encourage them to click through, but also to share your content, amplifying your reach and potential for earnings. Moving on to step 4, crafting Pinterest pins that capture attention and drive traffic. These pins are your frontline ambassadors on Pinterest, so they need to stand out and align perfectly with the affiliate content on your website. An effective pin is a blend of stunning visuals and compelling copy that grabs attention in a split second. To achieve this, I'll introduce you to a powerful AI tool that transforms basic ideas into captivating images. For example, if your content is about the latest yoga gear, the AI tool can generate vibrant images featuring people using the gear in serene, aspirational settings that invite engagement. Once the image grabs the viewer's attention, it's the job of the text overlay to pull them in further. Use action-oriented, benefit-focused phrases like "discover the ultimate in comfort and flexibility" or "transform your yoga practice today." These pins should be visually aligned with the look and feel of your affiliate site to maintain consistency in your branding. By ensuring your pins are both beautiful and strategic, they'll serve as potent tools to draw viewers into your affiliate funnel. Step 5 is critical. It's about making sure every piece of your marketing puzzle fits perfectly to maximize the impact of your Pinterest efforts. Correctly linking your pins to your affiliate articles is essential, not just for driving traffic but also for complying with Pinterest's guidelines, which can be strict about direct affiliate links. To navigate this, your pins should link back to the relevant articles on your affiliate website where the affiliate links are embedded. This method ensures that your pins remain in good standing with Pinterest policies and increases the chances of your content being seen and clicked on by your target audience. Here's how you do it. Each pin you create should include a clear call to action that invites viewers to learn more or discover how by clicking through to your website. On your site, ensure that the landing page or article provides valuable information that corresponds with the pin that brought them there. This relevance is key to keeping the audience engaged and moving them down the funnel towards conversion. By using this structured approach, each pin becomes a gateway to deeper engagement with your content, making your affiliate marketing strategy more robust and more likely to succeed. All right, folks, that wraps up our guide. If you found these tips helpful, show some love by hitting that like button. Let's set a challenge. If we hit 500 likes, I'll create a special follow-up video to dive even deeper into making money with Pinterest and AI. It's all about giving you more of what you need to succeed. So, smash that like button if you want more insider secrets, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and let's crush those goals together.